Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for your furry little friend, and it is a window perch. So my cat absolutely loves to sit in the window and just look outside. He'll take naps there, and this is a great little window perch. So this is by a company called Gorilla Grip. Once you open it up, it's very easy to assemble. It's going to take no more than 5 minutes. It's all got a nice solid metal frame, so that way you don't have any cheap plastic parts or anything like that. This thing is super, super tough. Now, obviously, it's going to come with some instructions that tells you how to do it all. Very, very easy. Then it comes with an Allen wrench, because the very end part here does screw together with a nice little Allen wrench. And the first thing you're going to notice, it's going to have a nice, strong, secure, basically clip to the window here, because it has a total of 6 large suction cups. So it's nice and secure. And then another cool aspect of this thing is it will rotate up. So when you are not utilizing it, you can go ahead and push it upwards. And so then that way it's out of the way, which is another nice aspect of it. Now, to give you an idea of the size, I have the medium one here. This is about 23 3/4 inches in length. It's about 12 3/4 inches in depth. And then the overall whole piece here, to give you an idea of the size, it is about also 12 3/4 inches in height. Now, the fabric here, it has 2 options, one for the winter, one for the summer. My cat pretty much always likes the winter version, which is a nice Sherpa-like fabric. I have the beige look here. On the other side, it's more of just a cooler material, and it's just more kind of like a vinyl-y material, if you will, part of a fabric. But overall, you can just easily remove them. There's a zipper. Go ahead and take this thing off. You can also throw this in the machine wash when it comes time to clean it, if it gets all dirty or anything like that. So very, very easy to utilize. Absolutely love it for my cat. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great little window perch to keep them entertained on, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.